guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen if you are new. Today's video is sponsored by Hairinbeauty. They sent me this beautiful, gorgeous unit that I have on. This is a loose deep wave closure wig and it's a 4x4 closure. It has 150% density. This is the box that the unit came in, and it included a wig cap and some eyelashes, some 3D eyelashes. I love this box, by the way. It's so pretty, so cute. In this video, I just went ahead and I put it in a mid-side part style, and I put some layers in it. Well, I tried to put some layers in it, and this wig is beautiful. If you want to see how I styled it, stay tuned. I did cut the lace off camera, but I will insert a picture to show you guys what the inside of the unit looks like.
Trying to click off for me. Hey. Da 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 da. Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah. I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Back me and I never leave your side, babe. You know I'm gifted when it comes to having loyalty. But don't get it twisted, I don't take no shit from nobody. I know it's so hard to commit with all these chicks around. You act so different with your boys and throw your dick around. Too late to return the ring, and if you can't hang now, you can rock a fling. How come every day I slay from the crack of dawn, but you act so dumb like your brain is off, so don't yawn. Wrong, this broad is on, you better get strong. If not, move along now. Somebody better gonna right your wrong. I can sing it for you all day long. Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Back me and I never leave your side, babe. It seems like everybody's looking for eternal bliss. That's what you find when you unbutton my Versace dress. Don't be a pussy and come at me with commitment. You know I die for you, act like you know what time it is. These hits are a work of art, and if you don't see that, death do us part. Now I ain't even gonna flex, cause I am the best. No Becky in distress, I'm a dragon in a dress. I don't get no rest, every day I'm blessed. Working my finesse, Tiffany on my neck. It's a boo thing, not a new thing. You better get it right if you're talking to me. Must've had a mind smart enough to choose me. Your boys say it's fine, you're supposed to use me. You don't wanna f around hard enough to lose me. So whenever I'm around, would you please salute me? Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Back me and I never leave your side, babe.
I could be your wife, or your life be your wife. Better roll a strike and hold on to me tightly, or I'll break your heart. You will not take it lightly. Now, the revenge of the wife.
I need a man who's gonna propose to me on a mountain.
Alright, you guys, I am done with my unit. You guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, because I love it. Okay. I love it. I just went ahead and I put some layers in it. If I didn't mention before, I did wash this unit and I bleached the knots. To me, closure wigs are so much easier to deal with, and I would rather a closure wig over a full lace wig because it's less work and the curls are so fluffy and bouncy. I just went ahead and put some Nairobi foam in it just to bring the curls out a little bit more, and I sprayed some Carol's Daughter spray in it to go ahead and add some sheen. The hair is not shedding other than me cutting the hair. I didn't see any shedding. It didn't have a funny smell to it. I love this unit. To me, it looks kind of natural, like it's making me look like an Indian a little bit. I don't know. You guys let me know. I look like an Indian. Like I have Indian. You know how everybody say they have Indian in their family? I'm really mixed with Indian, and this is really making me look Indian. Okay. Like, I wish my hair was this texture and this long because this is bringing my Indian features out. Seriously. Let me stop. All right, so I want to thank Hairinbeauty for sponsoring this video. I will leave the link in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and head over to their website and pick up this unit because it's so beautiful, you guys. It's so gorgeous. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. Also, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload my next video. And also, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Jen on Demand. Okay, and until next time, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Yeah, I'm such a down piece. Let me and I'll never leave your side, babe. You know I'm gifted when it comes to having loyalty. But don't get it twisted, I don't take no shit from nobody. I know it's so hard to commit with all these chicks around. You act so different with your boys and throw your dick around. Too late to return the ring, and if you can't hang now, you can rock a fling. How come every day I slay from the crack?